Welcome everybody to a new video of Alicante.
Hello, hello, hello.
We are in Benidorm today.
It's not beautiful, Benidorm. It's cool, but it's not.
It's rough.
Yeah, it's rough. It's rough here in Benidorm.
No, it is very
Let's
rough.
walk over here. If
you look at the sea, it's a yellow flag. I would have at least expected a red flag.
That's what I said when we walked up here. I thought it was going to be red.
All right, let's see how many times we can say basically and like.
We were rewatching our all beer video where we told you guys about his scooter accident.
I was editing it. Like I almost should do a bell every time we say basically, and then see how many times it counts.
Do one of those drinking games. You take a shot. By the end of it, you'll be sloshed.
I think we said it like 32 times.
It wasn't just me either. I noticed you saying it too.
And then you should never say it.
No.
Look at the waves. We are in, what is it, the 3rd of March?
Yes, yeah.
The 3rd of March.
I have the day off today.
Look at this. The beach is deserted. Usually you don't see that in summertime. And it's packed. It's so cloudy today.
It's really not nice weather, guys. I cannot convey how tired I am of this weather.
It's been going on for weeks.
It's been going on for weeks.
It's cloudy, but it doesn't really rain in our area. It just kind of drizzles.
And I was thinking about it too, like, we're such summer people that it really starts affecting your mood, you know?
We haven't even done the channel in summer, where we usually go on trips and stuff.
Oh, it's going to be nice.
The sea is very rough.
Yeah.
Okay, now last time, remember, they had it all blocked off.
Yeah, they had it blocked off because they were doing the Eurovision thing.
That's actually what I was going to film. But because of Eurovision, the finalist that won the contest in Benidorm basically represents Spain in the Eurovision Song Contest. I think that's in May.
Yeah, it's usually like mid-May or beginning.
We watch it because it's funny, you know.
It's fun, yeah, it's fun.
It's sometimes you come across the craziest things.
Look at that bird.
Oh yeah. Look.
Hello.
Do you know if the boats are going today?
Probably not in this weather.
To Benidorm Island?
Probably not in this weather.
Well, the thing is, it's not stormy. It looks very overcasty, but it's not.
Why would you want to go to the island on a day like this?
Yeah, we've done it.
It's slippery too, then.
It's Bird Island. I call it Bird Island. I've never seen so many birds on one island.
There's bird poop everywhere.
Yeah.
I don't see them docked there, but then maybe they just didn't come from... Oh, look, there's a kitty.
What? Oh my God,
that's a daredevil kiki.
Yeah.
But maybe they just didn't depart from wherever they originated from today.
He's guarding the castle.
Oh, yes.
This is where the castle used to be back in the old days.
Yeah.
And you can still see remnants of the castle right here. Look at this. That looks cool, huh?
Yeah. Looks neat. This guy's playing the guitar, though, so we're going to have to... Live music.
Relaxing music?
I'm not going down there.
Well, let me first show everybody what it looks like from above. All right, we made it to the bottom. You gotta look at this. Wow. And here? That's really neat. How rough the sea is. Church of Benidorm.
It's
I don't think
gorgeous.
I've ever filmed this.
I don't
It's
know.
beautiful.
Look at over there. It's gorgeous. Absolutely amazing.
Beautiful church. It's hard to get in though. There's always something going on usually.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Absolutely breathtaking.
Beautiful church. It's getting windier.
It's starting to rain too.
Oh, great.
Last time we filmed here, I think it was rainy. Remember we went to Zaman?
Yeah, I remember that.
It started pouring and then it would stop and then it would pour again.
Walking through the main street of Benidorm again.
I thought I lost my little
You okay?
microphone thing. Yeah, I thought I lost my microphone cap thing.
Yeah. I might have to rent one of those.
Oh my gosh.
No, it's not that bad yet.
The raindrops are getting more frequent and bigger.
Yeah, but you never know.
Yeah.
Sometimes it just like stops and sometimes it's a downpour.
Weird.
Ooh, that's all candy.
Yeah. This place always smells so good because they make like the candied apples and things
Yeah.
like that.
Smells really good.
But then it's like a weird smell because there's like seafood too. So it's like a sweet smell and then you smell seafood.
Yeah, it's a
really
very
weird.
bizarre smell here in this main shopping street, I guess. It's a mixture between like cheap chocolates and perfume and
Poop.
poop
Some poop.
and urine.
Yeah, that's always part of the aroma.
Yeah, mixed in with pizza. I don't know. It's bizarre. But this is what Benidorm looks like on the 3rd of March, 2025.
Yeah.
Interesting.
This is the mannequin piece. A lot of people are thrown off by this because it's based on the Belgian statue.
The one in Brussels.
Yeah.
And in fact, they had a documentary about that, and I always thought it was it was a lot bigger.
No, it's small. Yeah, it's small.
It's a very small
Yeah.
statue.
Yeah.
Statuette, actually,
Yeah.
to call it.
It's still very busy, surprisingly.
Yeah, for a Monday, it is.
To be careful with my bag because I brought my big bag today,
Oh yeah,
but the zipper is in like behind me kind
Yeah.
of situation.
yeah. You have to be careful here for pickpockets, pickpocketers, pickpocketing. It hasn't happened to us, knock on wood, but
Almost once in
almost
Greece.
once.
In Greece.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying
Not here
in
though.
Greece, in Benidorm. But I've heard so many stories.
Oh yeah.
People got their wallet taken, or what
Well,
they
there was
do. Yeah, what they do a lot here is just two people then involved, and one asks for directions or something,
Yeah, to distract you.
and then the other one does something else. Don't fall for it.
No.
I always keep walking. I don't want to give you directions. Figure it out.
It might be mean, but you never know.
No, you just never know.
Unless it's someone you can. Even if it's someone who looks like they're in distress,
Yeah.
you never know. It's weird.
Um,
What's the time we live in?
it's called Google Maps, you know.
It's called
Yeah.
Google Maps.
You have a phone. I can see you have a phone.
Yeah.
You know? Look at
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
That's how my dad got robbed, remember?
He was getting into the car,
He was
though,
in the
right?
car. He was at Massima's supermarket. And somebody asked for directions, and the second guy grabbed the bag from the back seat.
Yeah. God, that was a whole fiasco. He had to get
He
all of
lost
his
his
paper.
passport.
Yeah.
He lost his driver's license.
Oh,
And fireworks?
no, they're doing construction over there.
Sounded like fireworks.
No, it's construction. Last time, well, not last time we were here, the time before last, we went to this pizza place. Diva, I think it's called. It was
Diva.
amazing. Actually, right, one of them is right there.
It's right over there, actually.
Yeah. Really good, like wood fire pizza.
I'm going to get a different pizza if we ever go there again. I'm going to get the margarita pizza.
Just a simple margarita?
Yeah, they said in the review said somebody commented about the margarita pizza
Oh, okay.
that it was the best margarita pizza that I've ever had.
Really?
And that person even went to Italy. So that
Almost like
says something.
we each need to get a pizza and we can split. Like
Yeah.
you can get a margarita, I can get something else, and we can split it.
Yeah, of course.
This is another
good
pizza place.
We've never had a pizza there.
Uh-oh.
Maybe we should get one over there. One of those over there.
I don't know.
It's another waffle place. And a lot of scooters, of course. And those like the mobility scooters. Do you need a license for that or a special card? or
No,
something?
but you have to prove that you actually need it. They don't just
Oh.
rent it out to anyone,
I see.
which is good because you don't want a bunch of scooters
Yeah, that
zooming
makes
around
total
here.
sense.
And the people who actually need it can't get it because they don't have
Exactly.
them.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, here, I see one.
Oh, there you go. Okay. There's a school behind us, and you can hear all the kids playing in the
Yeah.
playground.
Middle of Benidorm.
That was kind of a weird sign in that shoe store. Did you see it?
Yeah, that's why I
Is it
filmed it.
F shoes, wear sneakers. Sneakers are shoes.
Yeah. I was just thinking that. Like, what are sneakers then? Sneakers are the
Shoes.
sneakers? No, they're shoes. It's kind of like F cars driving BMW.
Yeah. I was trying to think of an equivalent. I couldn't. You're right, though.
Doesn't make sense.
No.
Yeah, I don't see it happening. I don't think it's going to pour.
Yeah, but it's like raining on and off, and it's like big raindrops.
Yeah,
It's
no,
weird.
after a while, living here for a little while, you kind of know the weather patterns. And if it stays like this, like whitish, those white clouds,
Yeah.
it just drizzles. I might be completely wrong, but not as wrong as the weather guys here.
Oh my gosh, you guys! They said it was supposed to be, God, this past weekend, right? So we were going to do filming.
Yeah.
Because I had a 4-day weekend, and we were like, let's get a lot of filming in. And then the forecast basically said that it was supposed to be like 28 millimeters of rain on Saturday. So we were like, never mind. Let's just forget about it. Let's
Let's just hunker down.
hunker down. We went and
Stay
got
home.
a bunch of supplies and stuff just in case. And then it didn't rain at all. I mean, I think it drizzled for like 10 minutes, and that was it.
Yeah.
And then they said again, okay, on Sunday, it's going to be like, 8 millimeters, and it's going to be heavy wind. Nothing.
I guess it's like elsewhere in the country, but not where we are.
I guess.
And head to the direction of the city hall. What do you think? You have a really nice park there.
Yeah, that sounds good. That's where we showed them with the. Well, that was part of the song festival thing, part of
Yeah.
the Eurovision. They had
Yeah,
it over
yeah,
there
yeah.
too.
Very nice area. Has a beautiful park and a really big city hall. I thought for sure something was going on today. Every single time we go to Benidorm,
I thought Carnival was going to happen, but I think they did it this weekend.
I think it's later. I have no idea. I don't
That's
celebrate it.
That's it right there, right?
Yeah. Let's cross over here.
Okay.
Bamboo is back on the list, huh?
Well, for the time being.
For the time being, that is true.
It's our go-to Chinese place, and we went to it once, and it was, I don't know, about a month ago. It was awful. We think maybe it was just an off day for them, or they had a maybe temporary cook or something. I don't know.
That's
But
an interesting. I've never seen that before. The guarda rural.
oh yeah, that is interesting.
I know the guardia civil.
Yeah.
I know the Policia Local, Nacional. I've never heard of that.
We have something going on. Look, the stage is all covered.
Let's say put it
Just
off
have
to
it,
the
like,
side.
yeah, maybe. But
Because
there's
this is where
tents
all
up
the
too.
events are and stuff.
Let's go.
Yeah.
They're supposed to let us walk. It's a big crosswalk thing there.
Is it? Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
It's hard to see though.
That woman was yelling in that car. She was calling whoever, she was not happy with the driver.
Oh, I
Calling him a P word and everything.
thought she was yelling at me.
No, at first I was like, okay, this is a crosswalk lady, but I realized she was having a fight with the driver.
Oh.
Waving her hands and saying the P word constantly. I'm not going to say the P word.
No, me neither.
It's a Spanish bad word.
Spanish P word. Very slippery, huh?
Yeah, these are like the older tiles, and they're very. It's like an ice rink when you.
It's
when
yeah,
it
it's
gets
almost like
wet.
an ice rink.
You can also exit over here if you want to.
No, we'll just go here.
Okay.
It's a short video in Benidorm, but I don't want to do too much all at once
No.
since my injury. You're wondering what we're talking
Don't want to
about.
overdo it. You know
No,
what I mean?
watch the previous video, which of course got a lot of views. The video that I don't want to have a lot of views on got a lot of views.
He said, "Oh my gosh, there's already so many views."
Yeah.
He goes, "Why? Why?"
Stop watching it. But anyway, from Benidorm, what was that?
Oh, it's a zip
Okay,
line.
that was crazy. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, if you happen to like the video, give it a
Thumbs up.
Thumbs
That's a
up.
thumbs up. Thumbs up.
thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
Bye, everybody. I'm gonna go up over here.